The statute of limitations are what people in Louisiana, with our unique legal system, it's called prescription. All that means is how long do you have to file a claim? In Louisiana, for a car crash, for example, you have 2 years in order to make a claim. If you fail to make the claim within 2 years, so let's say somebody gets in an accident on August 1st, 2025, and that would give them until August 1st, 2027 to actually file suit if needed in order to preserve their claim. And if you fail to do that, if you haven't either settled the case and it's gone or filed suit by August 1st, 2027, you are forever barred from making a claim again, meaning you have no right to force the insurance company or the other driver, for that matter, to do right by you and compensate you. You just lost. That's why it's very important, after a crash, to consult with competent counsel, in my opinion, so they can make sure that they're monitoring that date and not allow it to pass, so your rights are preserved. As an attorney, I do have an obligation to the client and to the courts to do my due diligence. So if somebody comes to me 2 days before the 2-year deadline, I'm probably not going to be able to help them, just being honest. And while 2 years seems like a long time, until the middle of 2024 in Louisiana, you used to only have 1 year in order to file suit. The legislature changed that because I think Louisiana was like one of 2 states in the nation that had such a short prescriptive or statute of limitations period. They did lengthen it to 2, which has given a lot more time to attorneys and adjusters an opportunity to try and work it out before you have to file suit. But you're absolutely correct. Should somebody be in an accident, you don't want to wait to the last minute to contact somebody, because they're just not going to be able to do what they need to do in order to file. Make sure they're filing in the right place, because if you come to me and tell me, for example, oh, this accident happened in Jefferson Parish, Louisiana, and I don't even have a crash report or anything. I don't have time to gather that information to verify that. And I hurry up and go file a suit in Jefferson Parish, and I find out the accident happened in Orleans, or venue didn't lie in Jefferson. Well, guess what? We've lost anyway. Even though we filed suit timely, it was in the wrong place. Doesn't count. So it is very important to give whomever you might retain as your attorney as much time as possible before that 2-year time frame, so they can do their due diligence and make sure they're dotting the I's and crossing the T's and preserving your rights accordingly.